friends! Whimsy McBean here. Welcome back to yet another story you'll love. Today we have a brand new adventure. The witch's cat who was allergic to magic. So, get ready for sneezes, spells, and a race against time. Hazel was the youngest witch at Skyspire Academy. Her cat, Luna, was special and a little sneezy. One sneeze from Luna didn't just tickle noses. It made magic go wild. Tomorrow was the Grand Magic Festival, Hazel's first chance to show her spells. But one wrong sneeze could ruin everything. Luna tried to hold it back, but when broom dust tickled her whiskers, achoo, the sparks turned Hazel's hat into a frog. Headmaster Bram warned Hazel, "Keep that cat out of the forbidden wing." But before they could stop it, one colossal sneeze freed a magical troublemaker. The mischief moth zipped into the festival hall, feeding on magic and growing bigger with each spell it ate. Bram roared, "Before sunset, catch that moth or the festival will collapse." Hazel and Luna had no choice but to chase it. Hazel tried casting a net spell, but Luna sneezed accidentally, turning the net into a flurry of colorful butterflies. To reach the moth, they had to cross the puzzle bridge. Luna's meows made the crystals glow one by one. Along the way, they befriended a lonely stone golem who knew secret shortcuts. Deep under the school, echoes of magic filled a twisting tunnel. The moth was ahead, glowing, humming, and getting stronger. Hazel's heart sank. How could they tell which moth was real, as Luna's sneezes created dozens of fake moths? She remembered. Luna's allergy made her sneeze only near real magic. The real moth would make Luna sneeze first. The chase was on! They ran through corridors, broomsticks flying, and spells bouncing off walls. Hazel used a calming charm while the golem blocked exits. Luna sniffed and... achoo! The real moth glowed. Luna took a deep breath, then let out the mightiest sneeze yet. Sparkles wrapped the moth into a bubble. The moth shrank back to its tiny form, safe in the bubble. Hazel sealed it with a spell. All three returned to the festival hall, just as the last rays of sunset painted the sky. Headmaster Bram looked at Luna. "Perhaps your allergy isn't a curse. It's a gift." Hazel and Luna were invited to open the festival with a special show about safe magic. Luna learned she didn't have to hide her sneezes. They could help protect others. That night, the festival sparkled brighter than ever. Being different can feel scary, but your difference might be your superpower. Even the shy golem danced under the fireworks. Bram quietly admitted, "This may be our safest festival yet." Hazel whispered, "Never be ashamed of your sneezes." Luna purred. And from that day on, Luna wasn't just a witch's cat. She was Skyspire's magical protector.